You can also find pricing information for prescription drugs on Florida Health Finder. From the home page, click in the center of the screen, Prescription Drug Prices. This takes us to another website maintained by AHCA and the Office of the Attorney General. This is myFloridaRx.com. To use this website, we need to click the blue button in the center of the white screen. And then from the drop-down menu, select the county that we would like to search. Today, I'll pick Hillsborough County. And then we need to select a city in that county, and I'm going to pick Tampa. And on the third menu, we can find a list of the 300 most commonly prescribed prescription drugs. These are listed in alphabetical order. And today I'm going to search for atorvastatin 10 milligrams. And then I click the gray search button to continue. On our results page, we can see a list of all of the pharmacies in Tampa that sold atorvastatin 10 milligram tablets and a quantity of 30 for the month of June. The results are listed by price from low to high, and we can see that for the month of June, the price ranged from a low of $9 at Walmart on Waters Avenue, and from here the price goes up. Remember, this is the price that you would pay out of pocket without using any insurance. We can see that the same prescription was $14.99 at a Winn-Dixie, $31.39 at a different Winn-Dixie. So notice that prices do vary not just by chain, but by different locations of the same chain. We can see the price jumps to $94.99 at a CVS pharmacy. If we keep scrolling, we can see $94.99 at a different CVS pharmacy, $126.44 at Cab's Pharmacy. And if we keep scrolling, the high for June, atorvastatin, again 10 milligrams and a quantity of 30 pills, was $185.47 at Healthwise Pharmacy on West Waters Avenue. So a difference of over $175 for the same prescription in the same city. So you can potentially save hundreds of dollars on your prescriptions on myFloridaRx.com. And again, you can find a link to myFloridaRx.com in the center of the Florida Health Finder homepage where it says Prescription Drug Prices.